My dear students, this is time 12 and 15 minutes midnight. And surprisingly, this is the time of lockdown and rarely the sleeping comes to. So I thought, why shouldn't I share few private topics with my lovely students? Here I am going to say you something very private, the situations through which I came across, and my own feelings, my own experience to survive, to struggle, and to keep up moral strength, mental strength, and fight with every situation. So, my dear students, you have definitely one aim, one goal to achieve that runs every moment in your mind. But remember, time is running its own way. Time never compromise. And it may happen. Some of you will come across the goal, will satisfy your aim, while many of you will not achieve your goal. But don't mind. Here, this is your teacher before you. Once upon a time, I also have dreamed to be a doctor. But I don't know what moral courage was there with me. And I always think probably I was not preparing that much with determination. That's separate thing, but I couldn't achieve my goal. But one thing I recall my past that I am ever a courageous person. I have so much determination to survive, to struggle with every odd and even situation. And I know that I have much skill to fight. I can tackle with any situation. I can defend any troubles. So this much moral strength, this much resistance, this much religions, it's sufficient for a person to survive, to be successful citizen. So I must say you should keep up your moral strength, mental strength, moral courage, mental courage, and even should be very confident on yourself, very confident on your capabilities that in any situation, if not medical, if not engineering, something else, you will achieve a right path. If not of your interest, maybe something different, but life is there to enjoy. Don't opt for the shortcut or don't opt for the easy way. Take some time, work hard. Situation may not be in favor of you, but you remember time always come across happiness and sorrowness. If the time is not favor of you, if the situation, if your background is not in favor of you, but the time will go away and it will open the green signal for you. The traffic will be clear and you will find a different charming path in your life. Remember, There is a saying in Hindi, कोशिश करने वालों को कभी हार नहीं आता, जो लहरों से डरे वो नाव पार नहीं करता। शायद मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ रिदिम के हिसाब से, लेकिन कोशिश करने वाले को कभी हार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरने वालों को कभी नाव पार नहीं होती। मतलब बात समझ में आ रही है क्लियरली? To always fight with the situation, work hard. If you are casual, if you are taking the situation, determination, your aim casually, also it's okay. That is your personal attitude. So never be harassed. There will be a way after certain age, after adolescence. I have seen so many failure candidates being succeeded in future. After 25, you can't imagine the student who has not secured enough mark in your uh, parallel class but earning in dollars. So the time will be the solution. So never fail your mental strength. Be confident on your skill. If you are in empty hand and mind is very confident, you have faith on your skill and you are always in a path of development, you are always trying for the best, then the situation will offer you the unimaginable which you can't imagine. So the better chances are waiting for you. The last ventures may be the great scientist, our the great eminent president of APJ Abdul Kalam. So don't forget all the sayings. Also, you always keep faith on you and enjoy your every present moment to the best you can. You offer your best and try for the goal to be achieved. But I assure you, when there is a birth, with birth, God has given you certain capability to survive, and that will happen with you. The door will be open for you, and a good career, if at all if you are interested, a good career is waiting for you. With this, good night.